hopefully when it sets up, put a little fan on it. All you're gonna do, and just to give you a preview, all you're gonna do is take a knife and lay it down. That's all you're gonna do. Oh, you see it? You see it? Huh? All you see? You see what I'm saying? And you just look random. Do you see what I'm saying?
What the heck? Hey, the can can't even do this. You can't even get the can to knock down.
Not as big and match it.
And match it. What the?
This is me. This is me telling you what's up. Okay. Now. Holla at your boy.